You sit down to study. You open the book. You mean to focus. 2 minutes later, you're scrolling Instagram, then checking YouTube, then thinking about snacks, then wondering if you're just broken. Sound familiar? You're not lazy. You're not dumb. But the truth is, your brain is not built for modern focus. And in this video, I'll explain why that happens and exactly what you can do to fix it. Let's get real. Your brain evolved to survive distractions, not avoid them. Back in the day, noticing a sound in the bushes meant not getting eaten. Today, that same wiring gets hijacked by notifications, tabs, and dopamine loops. But it gets worse. Most people live in a constant state of low-grade stimulation. Your phone? It's a slot machine in your pocket. Every swipe, like, or click gives your brain a little dopamine hit. And when your brain gets used to constant novelty, things like textbooks, lectures, or deep work feel like torture. Not because they're hard, but because they're not instant. Think about it. How many tabs do you have open right now? How often do you reach for your phone without thinking? Let's say you're trying to read one page of a textbook, but halfway through, your brain whispers, "Just check your messages real quick." You do. Then boom, 15 minutes gone. Now your brain's back in scroll mode and focus feels 10 times harder. This is called attention residue. When your focus gets split, it doesn't fully return. And most people live in this broken loop every single day. Step 1. Make boredom normal again. Turn your phone off. Not do not disturb, not silent. Office. Because your brain needs to detox from overstimulation, try 10 to 15 minutes of doing nothing every day. Yes, literally nothing. No phone, no music, no scrolling, just you and your thoughts. It will feel painful at first. That's the point. You're rewiring your brain to stop craving constant input. Work in time blocks. Don't aim for 2 hours of pure focus right away. Start with 10 to 15-minute blocks using a timer. Choose one task. Go all in. Then rest for 5. Reduce friction. Make it easier to start than to scroll. Keep your phone in another room. Have your study materials ready before you sit down. Don't rely on motivation. Rely on design. Your environment should support focus, not sabotage it. So the next time your brain wants to quit after 5 minutes, remember this. It's not about being motivated. It's about being unavailable to distraction.